how to trim an audio in Audacity. So do you want to know how you can easily trim your audio in Audacity without any effort? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. So it's super simple, requires only a few clicks, some moving, some selecting, and you're good to go. So let's get straight to it. Now here we have our empty project. Just simply hit towards file, import any audio that you like. So I'm just importing this audio right here. So as you can see, my audio seems to be too long. So if I want to trim some part of it, I can just simply hit to the seeker and then select the part of track that I want to trim. So look at my mouse cursor where it's going. So if I want to trim until this part, I can just simply select it first, and then once this arrow appears when you're on the edge of your track, just simply drag onto it. So right here, as you can see, once this sign comes up, you can just simply drag to it and then trim to anywhere that you want. Now you can do it while splitting as well. Just simply select Ctrl+I to split it and move around, and you can just simply hit towards track edge and just trim it just like before. So as you can see right here, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.